What's going on YouTube? This is Bryant with Manzo Lawn Service. I'm actually going to go ahead and put together an Echo cordless mower that was given to me to try out. By the way, I'm not being paid by Echo or anything like that. I'm just going to give my honest opinion on what I think about it or not. So follow me, alright? Alright, so here's the 58 volt lithium ion cordless mower. I don't know anything about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it together and see what it is. I'm not really big with this cordless movement that's going on or anything like that. I prefer my gas stuff because I can run it longer, and so far it's been reliable. But I'm gonna put it on and see how I like it or whatnot. Try it out for a few moments or whatnot for maybe the rest of the season and see what I got going on. So let's get started. So this is the battery, 58 volt lithium ion. It's a drone up there. Alright, 58 volt lithium ion. Pretty much what it is, it looks like you can actually put two 58 volt lithium ion batteries in here. So That's one. And you can put a secondary if you purchase one. This right here is a safety key, safety switch or safety key. And this key will actually allow you to turn or switch which side of the battery you want to start operating. So if the left side runs out of juice, you can turn the key and it'll give you power to the right side, the right battery. So this is what that switch is, and it pretty much telling you right there. Turn right or left. Correction. This arrow actually will tell you what side of the battery you want to operate. So if you want to operate the left side of the battery, or the left battery that has the power or the juice, you put the key in with an arrow pointing to the left side. If you want the right battery to operate the mower when your left side runs out, then you take the key out and you turn it so the arrow is pointing to the right side. Sounds simple enough. There. You got your height adjustment on each wheels. One back here. Put the grass catcher, grass bag. Here's a mulch plug. If you want to mulch up, you just put this in. But if you want a bag of grass clippings, you take that mulch blocker off, or mulch plug. Hook up your bag. That's it. Simple. But I like to mulch. So I'm gonna put this back in. Just for storage, I'll put the bagger back on. There. Here's a 58 volt charger for the battery. All right, simple, right out of the box. Then it took me longer just moving the camera than putting this together. I like the way it looks. It looks pretty nice. I mean, doesn't weigh as much as a gas mower would, or my 22-inch Husqvarna. 1 inch shorter, so 21 inch versus a 22-inch. Not gonna be much of a difference to me. I mean, I guess every inch counts. I don't know. It looks nice. That's what I can say now. I guess what I'll do is charge this bad boy up. It's late right now. It's like 9 o'clock at night. I don't know what time it is. Tomorrow is July 4th, so I'm gonna do this grass. At different varieties of grass on my lawn. I just got this house and I need to get this grass back up to shape, but trim the shrubs and everything. I'm gonna test that bad boy out and see how it does, and I'll let you guys know, or maybe try to record or something depending on how it is. But But that's about it. I got my toolbox out because I thought I had to put things together. I didn't really need to put anything together, so it was easy. Everything was straightforward, easy. I like that. The box weighed a lot more. I think the weight was more in the box than it was in the mower, so whatever. But it'll work. Another thing is, I didn't look at the manual or anything. I wish the height adjustment actually had like how many inches it is off the ground or whatnot. It would be nice instead of trying to guess or having to get a marker right, right on it what's what. I wish it had something like that already applied to the height adjustment side or whatnot. But yeah, I guess that's my first impression. What would you call it? I'm still trying to learn this YouTube stuff and trying to get all this first impression and all this other stuff. But like I said, I like doing it because I like to do it. I don't care if I'm getting paid or anything. Echo sent me this being part of the UAG program to give my honest feedback and stuff like that. There's a lot of things I don't like about Echo. And just like other manufacturers, Stihl or Daiwa, whatever. There's a lot of stuff I don't like out there. But if it works for me and if it makes me money, that's all I care about. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up overnight. Try this thing tomorrow, and I'll let you know how it is. All right. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share my YouTube channel. And I'll see you later. All right, bye.